Hey everyone, this is Simeon with Both Lighting USA, and today I'm going to show you how to use a touchscreen monitor. This is a touchscreen monitor I got off of Amazon on your Mac. Right now I have it hooked up to my Mac Mini, and as you can see, I'm able to kind of just move it around. It's almost like just a mouse. If I was actually using it on my main screen, it would use it as a trackpad, and what I mean is if I move this up, so we're going to move the mouse up to the other screen. There we go. I'm going to adjust it, and there we go. We got it right there on the second screen. And if I start touching the actual touchscreen, it actually just turns it into a trackpad. We're going to help you so that you're able to use SoundSwitch with a touchscreen monitor. All right. First thing you're going to do, go to your browser, touch-base.com. It'll take you to the home website, just like this. And you're going to click on download, not purchase, download first, okay? Because we want to make sure that this actually works. You're going to download it, all right? And once it's downloaded, you're going to come down here, go to your downloads, and it's the UPDD UI. We're going to click on that, double click. It's going to bring up a console. Now, you're going to fill out your name. You don't have to put your company, put your state, put your email address, and then choose PMT-15, okay? That's the one that we've selected. We know this one works. So you're going to select that, then you're going to hit OK. It takes about 15 minutes, maybe less. You're going to go back to your email that you've put in, and you'll get an email from TouchBase Cloud. This is the software. This link is only active for 7 days. You're going to download that. As you can see, I just downloaded it again. Bam. You're going to open it up. So it's the UPDD 0701199. You're going to double click to unpackage. And it says this package will run. Yeah, we know that. Just hit allow. You're good. Hit continue and hit install. Type in your password. And you may get a bunch of permissions that need to be allowed. So if you see something come up like, oh, here we go. This one is going to say you need to modify an extension. Type it in, hit allow, make sure you select the right extension and activate it. So once this is done, I'll show you one of them. Oh, here we go. Needs to enable login items extensions. So hit open. It's going to open your system settings. There it is right there. This is very important. Type in your password again. Hit done. And you should see this UPDD device connected. That means your device is connected now. You should be good to go. All right. We're going to keep that. Now, up the top here, you're going to see two new icons, right? You're going to see settings for the UPDD commander, and then the UPDD daemon right here. So we're going to go to settings first. I'm going to go to settings here and reset mouse. So what this does is it anchors the mouse. And we'll show you what that means shortly. And then you're going to go to console. And this is the console, so you know this is connected. You get 200 clicks. And I'm clicking the touchscreen right now. Let's see. It actually knows. It's kind of crazy. So touchscreen is working perfectly. You can calibrate it if you'd like. You're good to go. Now, from here, you're going to need to activate. All right. Now, to do that, you're going to go to register. Okay. If you have a license, enter it here. If you don't have a license, you need to go to the website. So we go back to their website. We're going to go to how to buy. You're going to select your country, how many licenses you want. It is one per computer. All right. And you're going to select personal. Do not select anything else but personal. All right. Now, they do offer support. I chose 3 months. It makes it cheaper. You choose your operating system. You put in your information. $95. If you do it for 5 years for support, it's $123.50. All right. Put in your name, your email, and then you hit buy. Takes about, I would say, 24 to 48 hours. They'll send you the license. They'll email it to you. Once they email it to you, you go to register and you paste the key there and it activates the license. All right, for those of you that see the pop-up that says please identify, all you got to do is click here and go to identify. It's going to say identifying the touchscreen device. Please hold and cross the line, the cross until it turns blue. If this is not the touchscreen, click next with the mouse, bam, and it'll bring it to the touchscreen. And then you touch that spot till it turns blue, and that identifies which one is the touchscreen, so you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how this works. We got our virtual DJ going right here. You can use, obviously, the software of your choice. And then we have our touchscreen down here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the touchscreen right now and load up SoundSwitch. So there we go. We have SoundSwitch right here, just like that. Now, for my liking, these buttons are still a little too small. So all you have to do, okay, is go to Display, Display Settings. You're going to go to the Extended Display. Okay, 1280 by 720, and you should be good. Much bigger buttons, much easier to manage. So just like that. Now you got to make sure once you're done here, your mouse is still on the main screen, on your touch screen. We want to bring the mouse back to Virtual DJ. What that's going to do is it's going to anchor the mouse to this. So you'll still be able to touch screen here. You can see the mouse kind of flashing, and it'll snap right back to your main screen so you can continue using your software. All right, so just like that, you'll be able to control your SoundSwitch.